Comfort should not lead to complacency. That's the first thing I would like to say. People have been here for a long time, 6 years, 8 years, 10 years. It's a great company, it takes care of people. But it should not make the people comfortable. To put it differently, they can be comfortable, but should not become complacent. Because then they will not do justice to themselves and to the organization. And the other part is accountability. Accountability for their own actions. So whenever they are doing something, I think an important thing is they should come up and own it. They should not be afraid of what they will be told by their managers. Because when people come and speak up and say, then only the company can know where are the faults. Otherwise, when people do not speak up, then it's difficult to find out the root cause of a problem and to arrive at a solution. So the company would like to encourage people to ask questions, to come up, and the company would support. I'm saying people can make mistakes. It's not that people should keep making mistakes, but I'm saying people should not come up and should not be afraid in saying that I made a mistake and this is what I would like to do next. And but otherwise, yeah, it's a great team, and there are a lot of areas of opportunity for the people to really move into. It's a growing organization. We are moving into many different areas. Building solution is a large category. The company has ambitious plans, and so a lot of areas will open up for the people in terms of growth. So people have to be ready. They have to be also be looking at moving across functions. The company would like to move people who are doing well in their current jobs to try and see if they can perform in some other function, because the company would like to build leaders for the future. And the leaders will come from within only. But then for that, people have to be ready to take risks, leave their areas of comfort. They have to be mobile, maybe move across borders also if required, because the company would like to get the talent from within to the extent possible. Of course, the company would go outside also for talent, but the first priority is always to build leadership from inside.